All right, let's break another piece of chert off. I always like to choose where there's like a cliff. I'll hit right up here. And I also like to have a ridge right in the center of the piece. So I'm gonna hit it right here and just use another piece of chert as a hammer stone and see if we could take this piece off here. That's what we got. And I wanted to knock it off and still have that ridge on there, and that's what we got. Let's try it for flint and steel. Let's try it with some denim char cloth. We'll tear it across the bias, which will make a bunch of threads. And if it tears funny like that, you could tear this part off, just make it 3 layers. And we'll put it up on that, about a 1/16 behind that sharp edge. Use your handy dandy steel that you made out of a Nicholson file. And one more time. Here's 3 pieces I got lined up just right.